How to fix Play Store retry problem. In this video guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your Play Store. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, open apps. Here on apps you have to search only for Google Play Store. Open it when you found it like this and then go to storage. Here click on clear data, then click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now go to notifications option and click on app icon badge, turn off it and turn on it again like this, and that's it, your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in other videos.